Hey guys, welcome to Induction Cooking 101. Did you know you can check if your pot works by sticking a fridge magnet to the bottom? If it sticks, then it can work. Hey, let's crank this baby up and see what she can do. I'm going to place my pan directly on the surface and I'm going to put a little bit of butter in the pan. I'm going to get you a little bit closer to see what's going on. As you can see, the butter is going to start to melt, and as I place my hand directly to the side, oh, no, I'm not burnt. There's no curse words or crying because there's no heat emitted from the cooktop. Information on how this works will be in the comments below. Always remember that when you take the pan off the cooktop, there will be some residual heat, so you will get startled. So please just be careful. Now always remember to have 650 millimeters from the top of the cooktop surface to the underside of the cupboard where your range hood is, because the misconception is that I don't need a powerful range hood because I have an induction cooktop is false. It's so false. You need a really powerful one because of the condensation. Happy cooking, guys. Enjoy.